to Science Up. In the previous video, we introduced some basic steps in data science from zero and highlighted the importance of consistency, self-learning and goal setting. If you haven't watched that video, you can find the link below in the description and make sure you check it out, like and subscribe to it to keep going guys together. That video included 5 steps in self-learning data science. Today we'll see together step number 1. Data science, of course, is about passion. But beyond that, the first basic step is learning to love data. Now we'll discover how. Loving data simply means to be curious, to love exploring and figuring out what's going on. Start by learning Excel and some basic important formulas and statements. For example, if statements are necessary and amazingly important. Explore some CSV files with multiple data types, numeric, categorical, and much more. If you guys are not familiar on how to find free datasets online, in the video how to find free public datasets, you can find the link in the description. We talked about ways to find free datasets online. You can use anywhere, anytime, for whatever the purpose is. Step number 2 is, of course, mathematics. Start with the basics, which are statistics, linear algebra and calculus. These, of course, include sampling and probabilistic methods, descriptive and inferential statistics, linear multiple logistic regression, confidence intervals, and hypothesis testing. Data analysis concepts and practices are equally important. Data exploration and description, structured or unstructured data, plotting and visualization, and concepts like text analysis, machine learning, image recognition, and much more. Last but not least is data mining concepts. To start with, data mining is a process of extracting and discovering patterns in large datasets. Data mining is really important and includes data cleaning and preparation, identifying or tracking patterns and trends in a dataset, handling or dealing with missing values, outlier detection, and so many things interesting we can guys work with. I made you guys a list of the 4 main points of today's video as a recap, but always remember to comment below, share your ideas and questions with me, let me know your thoughts and if there is anything you need, and definitely believe in yourself. See you guys in the next video where we'll be discussing step number 2.